Man, I cannot wait to go on a drive in my brand new red truck. Is that a dinosaur? What the heck was that? What was that? Oh jeez, I can't drive. I just bought that too. Is that a what's happening right now? Did it just die? Oh, what is on fire over there, by the way? It just died, I think. Hold on. Got this new tool here. It's fun. Oh, it's dead. Into the abyss you go. Huh. That was weird. No, that was really random. I mean, like, what the heck? Is that another What is happening right now? Oh, there's another one. Hold on. I don't even know what this thing is, to be honest. Oh, he's on fire. Headshot. Headshot. Nope. No. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Oh. Headshot! Boom! These things are really simple to kill. Yeah, I was expecting more like a, harder to kill. Oops, I clicked the wrong button. You didn't see anything. Oops, my bad. What is this sound? You didn't see anything either. You either. Did I make that? Oh, it did. Uh-oh. It's on fire. It's on fire. What's on fire? What's on fire? Oh, what just blew up? What's happening right now? Oh. Fire. Alright, well, we're going. Well, I'm just gonna go back home. I don't feel like opening doors today. Oh. Dang it. Man, I didn't want to burn my house today. Yeah, that's what I get. Oh, here we go. Just make it. Hey, I want to put food on the counter. Oh, that's not what I meant. Is that a coconut? It's a coconut. I can't eat that. Sorry, I swung in too many. Can I crack it? Works. Cool. Hey! Oh, that's the light. I want to eat something. Give me something or I'll survive. I just broke my light. What is this, another coconut? You're going out the window. Going out the window! The window! The window! Oh, it actually broke my window. Dang it. I wasn't expecting that. Why am I holding this? I mean, this is a... Oops. Oh, that was my room, wasn't it? Wow, nice. Oh well, I guess I'll just sit here and wait for something interesting to happen. You know what? It's too cold in here. There we go. That's better. Something's on fire. Oh, never mind. Alright, that's good. Man, this Jurassic thing is really, really interesting. Why are you death staring me like that? Oh, I got you. This one's better. How much of a headshot do you need me to get? No way that didn't kill him. Oh wait, I know how to kill it. Leg break. Ah! Yeah, this guy's really strong. One more should do it, right? That works. Hey, clean up your pieces, man. Oh wait, I have this thing. Pretty sure I have a vacuum in here somewhere. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Vacuum, 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 vacuum. That's a lightsaber. Oh, here it is. Just clean up the streets real quick. House too. Oh, I didn't have. No, I had a bunch of pieces. Nope, well, that's stained. I suck up the house. Nope, nope. I sucked up the TV, didn't I? Dang it! Up, next house. Let me just. Oh, wait. Actually, this one's pretty cool. Oh, wrong one. Hold on. Oh, acid? Oh, not the car! Ah, the house. That's a smoke gun. I don't even know how it works. Panical! What? What did you hit? Oh, hit the car! 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 Where's it? Oh. There it is. One more thing. That's it. No, not that. Oh, here it is. Yeah. Oh. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Ah. Nope. My bad. Ugh. People not know what air conditioners are. Oh, shoot, the TV. Oof. It's okay. Dang it! Is that an airstrike? Sorry, I got mad. Hold on. Oh, no. This house is mine. I won't kill you this time. There you go. I don't know why it's too cold. There we go. That solves our problem. Ooh, my bad. Sorry, checking this place out. What's in here? Oh, it's a bathroom. Sorry, I'm raiding your house. Oh. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Like, it's supposed to be dinosaurs. Where are the dinosaurs at? Oh. No witnesses. Alright. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Ooh, look, a car. Oh, it's broken. You know what isn't? Car in here! Oh well. Ow. Oh. Come on. It's gonna take a while. just break down on me? It did too. Nah, stay open. What's that? I don't even know. I'm gonna go see who's inside. Oh. That's better. Well, I'm trying to fix this thing. What the heck is that sound? What is this, Jurassic Park? There's a better car in here. Ugh. Oh, it won't stop. It won't stop. Okay, now it stopped. Ugh. I don't have the Jurassic Park Jeep, which sucks, but this thing's fast. Hey! Wrangle him up! Yeah, get going. Oh, well, he's dead. Oh, jeez, that's a treat. Hey! Isn't that the creepiest thing you've ever seen? Screenshot. Hey, what are you doing? Oh. Hey. Can't catch me. Oh, jeez. Okay, yep. Drifting. I'm gonna hit a tree. Take this! Ugh. I took out his leg, I think. Oh, jeez, I can't drive. Oh, I missed it. Oh. My bad, folks. This is more like it. Come here. Am I just going through his leg? I am too. Snipe shot. Oh, wrong one. Oh, he's not happy. I think he's still alive. Hold on, let me help him. Yeah, I'll help you, buddy. Oh no, he's dead. Well, oh. I'm not sure. Is he dead or alive? Yeah, he's dead. You too. Oh, I need some gas. I wonder what happened to that train. That's a bush. Whoa. Hey, here, I'll pull that out for you. You know what? I probably could have used that against him. Hey guys, move out the way. Oops. Hey, I'm actually gonna go look for some. Ooh, fancy businessman. Look at me. Wait. Eh. I did not mean to do that. I mean, genuinely, I just wanted to throw him lightly against the wall. Oh, there's a hole here. I want that. Alright, how much for the bag of... You know what? I just want this. Oh, sorry. Oh, you good? Okay, good. I feel like someone who worked at a gas station should be wearing a bow tie. Or that fancy of a suit. You want a date? Well, good luck. Alright. I'm gonna take that red one and this. This whole thing right here. Break! Oh, there we go. Oh. Can I get a refund on that? Oh, wait, it's right here. Oh, never mind. Yeah. Here's your cash register. Oh, dang it. That broke. It's even over here on this next wall. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Oh. Ooh, a tow truck. Thought I was gonna shoot the tow truck. Bam! I did miss him, right? Yeah, like, hold on, I wanna see how close I can get without hitting him. A little closer. A little closer. A little closer. Oh. Well, Oh. I mean, I know I already had a broken window. How's this truck's condition? Oh, let's go. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna go in the gas station now. Oh, see, look, he's fine. Oh. Yeah, see, he's standing. He's fine. I swear, if that's another T-Rex outside, it is. Oh, shoot. Ow.